What is your salary?
My salary is 10,000. I am a AC mechanic, my lord.
It's been your responsibility to say that this is my income, I can't pay.
No,
He has deposited only 50,000, remaining more than 3 lakhs arrears are there, my lord. He has not spent 1 rupee also to the respondent or nor the child. Not
70,000 per month, how much is granted?
17,000 per month, my lord.
past 3 years. In invitation card also, he has mentioned after his name that he is working in SJS Polytechnic. He is the owner of the company.
No,
He is
12,000 to the mother, 5,000 to the child. Child's expenses I'll pay, my lord.
No, my lord.
She is capable of working, my lord. Let her come and stay with me, my lord. I'm ready to take her back. See, let her come and stay with me. I'm ready to take her back.
If you want your
I'm ready for any inquiry, my lord. I don't have any property. I'm not the managing director of any company. I'm not working in RJS Polytechnic as and earning 1 lakh.
there.
Reviewed, my lord. I sought for the review of that order, my lord. 17,000.
Under 127.
Under 127, my lord. See, on various grounds, my lord. First, I have filed a petition for restitution of conjugal rights. That is pending consideration. And I have undertaken, my lord, before the magistrate court. I am ready to, their condition was, my lord, I should not stay along with my parents and brothers. She is having a problem.
Also, that the court is, what is your salary?
My salary is 10,000. I am a AC mechanic, my lord. My salary is 10,000. And she is an engineer B, my lord. She was working in HP. And now, after the birth of the child, she left that company. It is not that, my lord, she is unable to. She is staying in her independent house, my lord. I am staying in a rented house. And I have produced all the documents, my lord, how much I am earning. They claim that, my lord, I am having crores of rupees property.
No, why the courts have no time, no other work, that every application, when you're asked, when you're given proper opportunity, you will not come, then order will be passed. Again, you will file some other petition. If that is not working out, again, high court.
My lord, that was the reason, my lord, I challenged
all these what they spend, with all the, for this process, they could have as well give it to the party who wants, who is craving for maintenance.
The reasoning, my lord, of IA number 2 also, my lord, called in. I challenge before this honorable court, my lord. Para number 9 and 11, 9, 10 and 11 are important, my lord. Where court comes to the, without there being in court, one limb, my lord, comes to the conclusion that there are no documents produced by the petitioner to say that.
Because, no, whatever you should come, you have not come.
I did not come, my lord.
Then you have you cannot have questioned that order. When you yourself have not, you should have, that's been your responsibility to say that this is my income, I can't pay.
No, therefore, my lord, subsequently, I come on record, my lord. I filed an application.
Not come on record, you were already
Yeah,
on record.
Subsequently, when I came on, I filed my wakalat, my lord. I bought everything before the court, my lord. The order sheet also may kindly be perused. We have not taken a single adjournment, my lord. Every hearing date, my lord, we have first
You will not take any adjournment, but you will not file your objection.
We have filed our objections also. In that also, there is no order, my lord, passed by the court.
Why will it pass? No objections or not, no, it will not consider. No, that stage is over.
No, after that we filed, my lord, along with an application. The court did not consider that as well, my lord.
Yes, what do you say?
I filed my detailed objection to both the petitions, my lord. Sufficient opportunity has been given to petitioner who is herein in family court. He has not utilized that. He was challenging with the respondent. I'll not give anything to you. Whatever you want, you can do.
So what is happening as per the interim order? Any amount is paid?
No. Only he has deposited after the stay order here. He has deposited only 50,000. Remaining more than 3 lakhs arrears are there, my lord. He has not spent 1 rupee also to the respondent or nor the child. Not even taken care any of the day. Not even filed one single application to visitation of the right of the child. I filed counterclaim as a divorce. After filing all these to make away from payment of maintenance, he filed all these applications, writ petitions, 2-3 writ petitions.
You pay the arrears, we will decide this application.
He has to pay more than 3 lakhs, my lord.
My lord, arrears, my lord, more than 17,000 per month, my lord, was ordered. I'm ready to take her, my lord.
70,000 per month, how much is granted?
17,000 per month, my lord.
Past 3 years it is pending.
It was granted, my lord, in the year 2022.
He has not complied the order. Hence, NBW was issued. After NBW issued, he came up with this court by saying that I don't have income. I have produced sufficient document that he is having income, my lord. Kindly you can go through all the documents. Why I was not filed my documents in family court is my child was only one year old. I was not procuring the document and he was not conducted the case. In invitation card also, he has mentioned after his name that he is working in SJS Polytechnic. He is the owner of the company. He is having all the, I have all the records which I am ready to produce. Here also I have produced. In family court also I am ready to produce. Let him complete the arrears of maintenance more than 3 lakhs.
My lord,
He cannot evade from payment of maintenance.
No, the court will consider about what is the maintenance, will remand the matter. But for remanding the matter and allowing your applications and giving you an opportunity, what is the condition precedent is you have to deposit the
my
money.
lord, there are, my lord, first 125 CRPC they have filed. One more petition, my lord, domestic violence.
But
act
they
they
have
have filed.
find who
One more
take
under-
care of the kids.
That is.
My lord, so far as the kid is concerned, my lord, 5,000 I'm ready to pay. Whatever the arrears, my lord, kid is from the day one, my lord, of 5,000
Court
rupees.
grants you 17,000, you will pay 5,000.
No, 12,000 to the mother, 5,000 to the child.
Hmm.
Child's expenses I'll pay, my lord.
No, my lord, what up?
She is capable of working, my
No,
lord.
Small child, she is not capable.
Just
He
now
is
you
capable.
said,
Begin.
just now you said that she's not working because of a baby or whoever is small.
With that point of time, now child is more than 3 years of age.
No,
When the
I-
petition was filed,
You're referring to as when the petition is filed.
yes, when the petition was filed,
So
child
when
is,
the petition is filed, how
Yeah.
much you're going to pay to the wife and the child?
no, to her, my lord, sorry, to the child, I was paying 5,000, my lord, when the
Whose duty
petition
is
was
to
filed.
Maintain the respondent, my lord. Petitioner duty is to maintain the respondent.
My lord,
I rely upon the judgment.
let her come and stay with me, my lord. I'm ready to take her back. See,
Because
let her come and stay with me. I'm ready to take her
Now,
back.
if you want your application to be decided, you have to pay the money. Then only we'll ask the court below to
17,000,
consider on the future maintenance.
my lord,
The
17,000
amount
per.
you're going to pay is the question now.
he's suffering from starvation, staying at the parents' house. Everyone was asking why is this, why he is neglecting.
Yes,
My lord, I'm earning only 10,000, my lord. I filed my assets and liability application.
All the documents that he is having enough source of income with luxury living style, car, and all his details I have produced here also, my lord, along with my.
All
memo
this
and
is
all.
blatant
I have
lies,
produced
my
all
lord.
then we'll say, no, you pay 10,000 for both of them as the counting from all the arrears and all. We'll set aside this order and we'll remand the matter and we'll also direct the court. If the court finds that any of whatever the assets that are filed and what now he is going to file, to initiate appropriate inquiry against you also.
No
As
problem.
per the judgment of the court.
I'm ready for any inquiry, my lord. I don't have any property. I'm not the managing director of any company. I'm not working in RJS Polytechnic as and earning
So
1
that
lakh
you will
rupees.
do there, that you will do there. Now, 10,000 with the arrears, right from that day to till
10.
deducting whatever you have paid. If you're ready to
Severe
pay,
of the arrears,
if
my
you're ready to pay, then we'll set aside this order.
My
and
lord,
give
I'm
you an
earning, my lord, only 10,000 per month, my lord. I'm ready to pay 5,000 to the child, my lord. So far as I also filed,
5,000, now how about how the whole family will live
my lord,
there with you?
I'm ready to take them back, my
No,
lord.
my lord, their
I'm ready
behavior
to,
is not
I'm
correct.
ready to make a
The
separate
respondent
house.
had to stay in her parent alone because of the bad behavior of all the family members.
No,
who are
no,
staying
no, no,
together.
no, this is,
Because
Ma'am,
no lady, no Hindu.
I'm
woman
ready
will
to
stay
take,
in her
I'm ready
parent
to make a
alone after
separate house,
marriage.
my lord. I'm ready to make a separate
No,
house.
my lord, we are not ready to go. I already filed divorce petition as counterclaim.
You please come out with that. What is that? Tomorrow I'll post it. I'll pass orders. Or else, even if you're not ready also, orders will be passed. If you are ready, the order would be as indicated.
May I request for day after tomorrow?
A
my
day after tomorrow, then no more arguments, only for that amount.
lord? My lord,
And
amount,
calculate at that.
little leniency, my lord, may kindly be shown to me. Only little leniency.
They are taking as granted.
1 second, sir, I'm making submission. Why is it?
Warrant issue, they
No,
come
1
out-
minute, 1 minute. No, no.
Even before
something-
the trial
this
court
has to
also
be
same thing, my
switched off. Yes,
My lord, little leniency, my lord, I'm requesting this from the honorable court. My lord, I'm earning only 10,000. My assets and liabilities are there, my lord. I produced everything, my lord, before the court. Only, my lord, little leniency, I'm requesting this.
what
My
lenient?
lord, 7,500.
No, my lord, 7,000 in Bangalore.
The
city,
court
not
will decide.
possible to
How can you say no, my lord?
Hand to mouth is not possible in 10,000 also.
You know, you have to also understand when a person seeks a maintenance and says that so and so is so, that is the responsibility or the burden on you to prove that.
No, my lord.
Unfortunately, the
I
order,
have joined my son to the school also.
No, that's all
He is
correct.
3 years old also.
please listen to the court. That order passed in your favor is also not right.
Not in my favor. I sought for more amount for.
Not in your favor,
I want
whatever,
to be 70,000.
whatever that is granted, if that has to be looked into, without court says there is no material. Without material, court has granted it.
No, my lord, because why without material means I was post menstrual time, I was not able to procure these documents and I was not able to attend my
No,
case.
that's why without a material, without anything court had granted.
Yes, my lord.
Assuming what is the salary, nothing has been
No, no, no.
considered.
In invitation card, he himself has posted his after his name, SJS Polytechnic Professor. He himself has posted. By looking at that only, court has
Yes,
granted the order.
please
because
come
he
up,
duty
please
bound
get
to maintain the
get
petition.
instructions day after tomorrow.
My
No
lord,
arguments
I
on that. and
completed only
calculate.
PUC, my lord. How can be a professor? I completed only PUC.
He himself has made.
She is a BE, my
And
lord.
then now at 8,000 into all the areas, please count and tell the court on that day. If only on that, otherwise I'll pass orders on the merits. of it.
Only, my lord, to pay that huge amount. I need some time, my lord.
Whatever it is, come up with an affidavit before the court day
Yes.
after tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes.
Cell number 13.
This